Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the ninth lesson, degree of comparison. What is degree of comparison? So there are three types of degree of comparison. One is positive degree, another one is comparative degree, and last superlative degree. What is positive degree? When we talk about the quality of a person or things and do not make any comparison with others. Okay. So we are telling the quality of a person, place, animal, things, but we never compare to any other we never compare with others. Okay, that is positive degree of comparison. And comparative degree. Comparative means we are comparing two people or things. Okay, that is comparative degree. And what is superlative degree? So when we compare these two people, so the qualities, we choose a best with that two. That is superlative degree. Okay. Most adjectives we add er to form a comparative degree, est to form a superlative degree. Okay. And positive degree is kind, kinder, kindest, quick, quicker, quickest, like this. Okay. Next, happy, happier, happiest. So the adjectives ending in y, so we drop the y and we add ier or iest for superlative, ier for comparative. Okay. Happy, happy, happy. So comparative is happier, happiest. And we always use than after the comparative degree. Comparative, when we use comparative degree, we use than, than, than. Okay. She is taller than her, she is brighter than her, like this, than. Next, for adjectives ending in a consonant, we double the consonant and add er to form a comparative degree and est to form a superlative degree. So we are, if the adjectives ends in a consonants, okay, we double that consonant and we add er to the adjective. So big, G is a consonant, we double that, GG, and we add ER. Okay, bigger, GGEST, biggest, like this. Okay, sad, sadder, saddest. Understood? Next, for words ending in E, last word E, we add R for comparative, ST for superlative form. Okay, large, LARGE. So we use larger, ER. Okay, EST, largest, like this. Next, for some adjectives we add the word more before the adjectives to form a comparative degree and most to form a superlative degree. Or some adjectives we add more and most. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent, like this. Understood? So never use adjective more for with adjectives already in a comparative degree. So he is a kinder than him. So for this you don't add he is more kinder than him. because already it's in a adjective form only. Okay, understood? Now let's start this. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the correct degree of comparison for the given adjectives. A dash man knows when to speak. Voice. So there is no comparison here. So directly we write voice. Okay. This is the dash moment of my life. Happy. So happiest. Why we use happiest here? Because we use the before the superlative degree. Okay, when we use superlative degree, we use the before the superlative degree. Okay, that's why we use happiest here. Okay. Pravir is dash to animals than Sujit is. Pravir is kinder. It's a superlative. Why? Because here, it's a comparative degree. Why? Because than is here. We use than only for comparative degree. Okay. Who is dash? Shobha or Shalini? Intelligent. Who is more intelligent? It's a comparative degree. Ajita is the dash archer in the school. Ajita is the best. Mr. Khanna is a dash person. Mr. Khanna is a thoughtful person. Thoughtful person. The Nile is the dash river in the world. The Nile is the longest. Okay. Renu is a dash girl. Renu is a gentle girl. Understood? Next. Fill in the blanks with the correct adjectives and the given degrees of comparison. The lioness was dash with her first cub than with her second. Comparative. The lioness more gentle. This is the dash sum in the chapter. This is the most difficult sum in the chapter. Mount Everest is the dash mountain in the world. Mount Everest is the highest. Okay. Next. This chimney is black and very dash. That chimney is dash. Positive degree, comparative degree. This chimney is black and very dirty. This is positive degree. That chimney is dash. That chimney is So next, Preetham is a dash boxer than Som. Comparative. Preetham is a oh, sorry. That chimney is a cleaner. Okay. Understood? Sorry, it's not dirtier. It's cleaner. This chimney is black and very dirty, and that chimney is cleaner. Okay. Next, Preetham is a dash boxer than Som. Preetham is a good comparative. It's a better boxer than Som. When I feel dash in the afternoon, I have a light snack. When I feel dash in the afternoon. Positive degree. Hungry. Understood? Circle the correct adjectives. This book is dash than that book. This book is bigger. Why bigger? Because here they use than. It's a comparative degree. Ron is dash than Ravi. Faster. This film is the fun dash I have ever seen. This film is the funniest I have ever seen. Mala has the dash handwriting in the class. Neatest handwriting. Suhana is dash at singing than Meera. Suhana is better at singing than Meera. My laptop is dash than yours. My laptop is older. This is the dash room in the building. This is the darkest room in the building. Next, let us write. Complete the story with the correct form of adjectives. This year's picnic was the dash picnic ever. This year's picnic was the best picnic ever. Ali, his friends and their parents had gone to a dash river bank beside a forest. Gone to a quiet. There, Ali and his friends played and climbed dash jamun trees and plucked the dash fruits. Tall jamun tree and plucked the ripest fruits. They saw a peacock. The peacock's call was dash than the call of most birds. Peacock's call was sharper. S-H-A-R-P-E-R, sharper than the. They also saw two deer. One of them was dash and dash than the other. One of them was younger and smaller. smaller than the other. It was also dash in color. It was also dark in color. The children's parents had bought the dash fruits and the dash vegetables. Bought the sweet sweetest sweetest fruits and the most fresh vegetables. They cooked a lot of food. The children were dash than the parents. Children were hunger than the parents. They ate everything. The food was dash than the food they had in the city. The food was tastier. Understood? This is about the comparative degree. Tomorrow we will see test 1. Okay? Thank you.